Experiencing stubborn Veiland GPU screen locker issues is incredibly frustrating, leading to unexpected system freezes and crashes. After encountering these persistent problems myself and exploring numerous solutions, I've identified effective strategies to overcome these frustrating display glitches. I'm excited to share these proven approaches with you, ensuring you can fix Veiland GPU screen locker freeze and crash in Veiland for good. First, updating your graphics drivers is crucial. Old drivers often contain bugs that directly conflict with Veiland's modern display management, causing instability. Getting the latest version from your GPU maker ensures your hardware speaks the same language as Veiland, preventing many common lockups. Next, we look at adjusting your Veiland compositor settings. The compositor is like the conductor of your screen, organizing everything you see. If its settings are too demanding or misconfigured, your GPU can get overwhelmed, leading to unresponsive behavior. Fine-tuning these helps create a smoother, more stable visual experience. Then, checking your system logs for clues becomes vital. Think of logs as your computer's detailed diary. They record every event, especially errors. By examining these entries, we can pinpoint exactly what went wrong during a freeze or crash, guiding us directly to the source of the problem. Finally, reinstalling the Veiland display server itself can be a powerful solution. Over time, core Veiland files can become corrupted or improperly configured. A fresh installation completely resets these components, clearing out any lingering issues and providing a clean slate for stable desktop operation. These methods collectively target the various underlying causes of Veiland display issues, bringing back stability to your system.